Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by anchoring the composition. Draw a horizon, set a central vertical axis, and mark 3 stacked sections to control proportion. Use light lines and a ruler so you can adjust. Once done, block the base as a low rectangle and sketch the tapered tower rising above it. This establishes rhythm and scale. Make sure to indicate where the lantern room sits, that small wider band near the top, because it defines the silhouette you'll refine next. You now refine the tower, firm up the curved walls, add evenly spaced window bands, and draw the circular balcony with its support brackets. Once the balcony is placed, finalize the lantern room's glass panes and roof cone with radial lines to suggest facets. Make sure to vary line weight, heavier for foreground edges, lighter for distant details, because that creates depth. Add a simple masonry texture and a centered door. These small elements make the lighthouse believable and readable. You finish by deciding on a light source and shading opposite faces accordingly, deepening shadows under the balcony and eaves to sell form. Once shaded, add bright highlights on the lantern glass and a few streaks of weathering to suggest age. Make sure to step back and check the silhouette, correct any misaligned sections, and erase construction lines. If proportions look off, measure vertical segments again and nudge elements. This quick fix solves most compositional issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.